Imagine capturing cinematic aerial footage that looks like it was shot by a Hollywood production crew, all from a device that fits in the palm of your hand. Whether you are a content creator, a real estate professional, or simply someone who loves stunning perspectives, the right drone can completely transform your photography game. Today, we are counting down the 5 best drones for aerial photography, from budget-friendly flyers to high-end powerhouses that push the boundaries of what is possible. We have tested them all to find the perfect match for every type of pilot. Stick around until the end to discover which drone is the ultimate selfie machine. And before we take off, make sure to check the description below for all the buy links to these incredible drones, and do not forget to hit that like button, share this with your fellow aviation enthusiasts, and subscribe so you never miss a gear review. Starting at number 1, we have the DJI Mini 4 Pro, and we are naming this the best camera drone for most people. This drone truly encompasses all the desired features you could ask for, including top-notch image quality, remarkable compactness and lightness, easy setup and takeoff, and an incredibly safe and stress-free flying experience. Previously, the Mini 3 Pro topped the list of best camera drones, but with the upgrades DJI made to the Mini line with the 4 Pro's launch, this new model now takes the crown. Essentially, the Mini 4 Pro compiles a comprehensive list of the best features found across DJI's entire lineup. While it may not excel in every single aspect compared to more powerful drones like the Mavic 3, the Mini 4 Pro stands out as the best overall considering its performance, compact design, and price point. By fusing the petite dimensions of the Mini 2 and Mini 3 with the robust specifications of DJI's Air and Mavic series, this drone triumphs in camera capabilities, battery longevity, safety, and smart functionalities. Moving on to number 2, the DJI Mini 4K takes the crown for the best drone on a budget. This is a very stripped-down version of the Mini 4 Pro, but if you are looking for a cheap DJI drone, this is one of the best values for your money. That said, you do need to realize that the image quality is certainly far inferior. While both technically shoot 4K video, this drone has a smaller sensor, which translates to less detail and poorer low-light performance. If you are primarily posting on social media, the video quality differences should not matter too much, but someone sharing videos on a bigger screen should definitely consider an upgrade. We would definitely consider it DJI's best overall drone under $600 when you factor in the price, and that price point is absolutely incredible at just $299 including the controller. However, if you have some wiggle room in your budget, you might consider the DJI Mini 3, which has a more powerful sensor and longer flight times of 38 minutes compared to 31 on the Mini 4K. But because the Mini 4K is much cheaper, it easily wins in the budget category. Number 3 on our list is the DJI Avata 2, and this is the best indoor drone we have tested. Perhaps you are a real estate agent seeking a great indoor drone, or maybe you want to get into drone racing without having to build your own machine from scratch. If so, there is no better bet than the Avata 2, which is a new and improved version of the original Avata that launched back in August 2022. It offers sinew-hoop-style drone racing in a ready-to-fly and easy-to-fly package that makes it accessible to pilots of all skill levels. But you came here specifically seeking a great camera drone, and yes, of basically any FPV drone out there, the Avata 2 offers the best camera quality you will find. It features a 1/1.3-inch CMOS super-wide-angle 12-megapixel camera, offering greater dynamic range and better image quality in low-light conditions than its predecessor, making it perfect for capturing smooth, immersive footage in tight spaces. Now, moving on to number 4, the DJI Avata 360 stands out as the best 360 drone available. DJI's answer to the anti-gravity A1 is here, and it is genuinely impressive, particularly given its far lower price than its closest competitor. The Avata 360 shoots 8K at 60 frames per second HDR video and 120 megapixel photos using 1/1.1-inch sensors with an f1.9 aperture, which is actually a larger sensor than the A1 setup and translates to better low-light performance. The drone also includes a single-lens mode that switches to classic forward-facing 4K at 60 frames per second FPV filming, making it genuinely dual-purpose in a way the A1 simply is not. Other highlights include DJI's O4 Plus transmission system with up to 20 kilometers of range, omnidirectional obstacle sensing, 42 gigabytes of internal storage, and 23 minutes of flight time. Post-production features include Active Track 360 degrees, spotlight-free, and a virtual gimbal that enables infinite rotation and tilt from a single shot. Finally, at number 5, we have the DJI Neo, and this is hands down the best drone for selfies. Designed specifically for vloggers and content creators, the Neo is a swift departure from other drones in the DJI fleet in that it is a hand-launched drone that does not even come with an RC transmitter, though you can buy one at an extra cost if you prefer manual control. The intended use case is allowing it to fly fully automatic, pre-programmed flight paths, with DJI intending for you to launch it right from the palm of your hand. From there, you simply select your selfie mode of choice, say the drone flying a circle around you, and upon getting up in the air, the Neo flies in the pattern needed to film the video before flying right back to the palm of your hands. Now, it is important to note that the DJI Neo is not really the drone for you if you want to fly big, sweeping landscapes, as DJI itself recommends operating in windless environments while keeping it relatively close to you. If you are trying to send a drone more than a few stories high or send it far away, this is simply not the drone for you, but for quick, creative selfies and social media content, it is an absolute game changer. And there you have it, the 5 best drones for aerial photography to take your content to new heights. Whether you are chasing cinematic masterpieces or just want the perfect selfie, there is a drone on this list for every pilot and every budget. All the buy links for these incredible drones are waiting for you in the description box below, so go ahead and check them out. If you enjoyed this review, please smash that like button, share this video with your fellow adventurers, and subscribe to the channel for more honest, in-depth gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the skies.